Everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to keep videos private on YouTube. So all you have to do here is to log in to your YouTube. So you have to tap your profile at the top right corner, and then you have to scroll down and then you have to look for YouTube Studio. Okay, tap this one, YouTube Studio, click this one here. And then what you're going to do is you have to look for content, tap this. Then you will see here all the contents that you have. And let's just say all of these contents are in public. So if you want to set this to private, very simple. You just have to click this arrow facing down and tap this private right here, click save, and so on. So you can do this to all of your contents and videos here. This is how you set your video or videos on private here in YouTube. So you just have to go to YouTube Studio, go to content, and then tap this arrow facing down right here and then click to private. Now you can also set this to public anytime. Everything is up to you, but this is how you set or this is how you simply keep videos private on YouTube. Okay? So I really hope that this video somehow helped you. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.